Welcome to Carrot session. This is lecture 7 of MATLAB, and in this lecture we are going to solve this question number 7, in which we have a geometry of a box, a rectangular box. A rectangular box has a dimension, shows the dimension of the box is given as this side is 23, this side is 43, and the height is 16 centimeter. The question is asking determine the angle BAC to the nearest degree. That's mean we have to find the if we make a triangle from A, B and C, then the angle from between these two lines, and these two lines, and determine the area of the triangle and the area that's cover these triangle. And we have some formulas like law of cosine or the Heron's formula for the triangular area. So let's just start from the question. First, if I have to find the angle between these two lines, I need the length of this line and this line and this line. Let me draw here. Let's say in front of A, this side is equals to small a, in front of B, this side is equals to small b, and in front of C is small c. And let's angles, there should be beta, and here should be alpha, and in the C there is gamma. So first we have to find A, B and C, that's the length of the sides, then we will find the alpha, beta and gamma. Now first let's define some variables. As if I'm going to show you the Pythagoras theorem that says the base is equals to base square is equals to okay, wait a minute, hypotenuse square is equals to base square plus the perpendicular square. And if I want to just eliminate this square, I can use the square root. So if I make a rectangle here, not the rectangle, triangle, let green color, there is a triangle from here, here and here. This side is hypotenuse A is equals to hypotenuse, this is base, and this is the perpendicular. So for the A we can use the Pythagoras theorem. Here A is equals to square root sqrt square root for what? The 23 square plus 23 square plus 43 square and bracket close. A is equals to square root of 23 square plus 43 square and the colon. That shows the A is equals to 48.76 here. Now for the B is equals to here is the B, from here, here and here, and this side is equals to 23. So B is equals to square root, similarly same function or the same syntax, square root of 23 square plus 16 square, bracket close and the colon, enter. The answer is 28.01. and similarly for C is equals to sqrt bracket, and for the C we have 16 and the 43. 16 square plus 43 square, bracket close, colon, 16 square plus 43 square. The A, B and C we have find. Now we can use law of cosine. C square is equals to find the gamma. Okay, now we are going to solve the gamma. The gamma, gamma is equals to the formula for the gamma. We are going to arrange this formula, law of cosine, and the formula become cos inverse. For cos inverse the syntax is a cos, and we are going to solve in degrees. For degrees, a cos t bracket. Now again bracket for the first solution, a square plus b square a square plus b square, it's become minus c square, and bracket close, divide by again bracket 2ac, 2a and b. Okay, 2a and b. You can look here. I just send this minus 2ab to here. It's become plus 2ab, and c will transfer here. That's become a square plus b square minus c square. A square plus b square minus c square, and 2ab will be transferred to divide by 2ab, and enter. Gamma is here now. Gamma is here now. We are going to find the alpha. alpha is equals to alpha. The formula for alpha is going to be a cos d bracket b square plus c square minus b square c square and a square, b square plus c square minus a square, and one bracket here, divide by bracket this time 2 into b and c, b into c, and bracket close, and again bracket close for a cos d, and answer is 78. Now beta now arranging the formula for beta will be equals to a cos d bracket, and the formula for beta will be a cos d, again bracket a square plus c square. It becomes a square plus c square minus b square, bracket close, divide by, and 2ac, yeah, 2a and c, bracket close, and again close, and here is also a bracket opening, and answer. The beta is 34, and you can find here alpha, beta, and gamma. All the answers are here. Now determine the angle BAC. Part A has been solved. Now part B, determine the area of the triangle A, B, and C. For the triangle of, we have the formula P, area is equals to square root of P into P minus A, P minus B into P minus C, and P is defined as A plus B plus C divided by 2. So we have to again define the variable. P is equals to bracket A plus B plus C, bracket close, divided by 2, and colon, the P or is here 61.33. Now we are going to solve for area. Area is equals to square root sqrt for square root, bracket P multiply by P minus A, bracket close. Now P minus B multiply by bracket P minus B, bracket close. Now again multiply, okay, bracket close, multiply P minus C, bracket opening, P minus C, bracket close, and bracket close for the square root. Now check, area is equals to square root of P into P minus A into P minus B into P minus C, and let's see the what's the area of this triangle. The area is showing as 6.29 exponent 2. That's mean area is equals to 629 centimeters. Hope you will subscribe CAD Station and share to your friends.